I have never seen anything like those videos to see what was going on there, and it's just incredible.
The height where we are assuming that ice was broken is about 5,200 meters from the sea level, and then the vertical drop of almost 1,200 meters, and then again the ice might have melted during that drop, and then again it carried several amounts of tons of sediments in that low parts, and then again there was another vertical drops all the way to the rivers. These very high impact, very high speed have caused the melting of the broken ice, and then also carried out the lots of sediments along the way.
Probably what's actually happened is it's just kept going, and it's incorporated all of the water in the river valley and pushed it out the front, kind of almost like a syringe pushing or plunging it out in front. So you get this kind of all the water that's there being shoved out front, but at the same time is melting the ice and collecting other water and things. So you get this really hyper concentrated flow of what's kind of like concrete.
We cannot imagine how such a big flood can happen without any glacial lakes. So such a kind of knowledge or the understanding that those mechanism is very rare. The monitoring systems, the science we are doing now due to the physical inaccessibility, mountains or the resources, the limiting to better understand such high mountain regions, and at the meantime those gap in the understanding of the mountains, glaciers, and the other things, and making more and more vulnerable for the many disasters.
We're seeing that the ice withdrawal and the melting of the glaciers is exposing the slopes, which then want to fall down. And we're seeing that in many of the mountains all over the place. As the permafrost melts, it weakens the rock mass as well. And sometimes you get big heavy rainfalls, the atmospheric rivers that we've got that are quite different in climate change that dump water and that weaken it. So you can't say that climate change is causing a particular event, but you can say that the frequency is increasing because those conditions are there, and there's usually some other little trigger.